constituency, Meghalaya. The Honourable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Shitom. Honourable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandi Shitom, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Shitom is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again.
Just give from the side.
Done in my constituency, but I think as a healthcare professional myself, I will try to look into the issues of healthcare, and others like roads are very much needed, and also I will look into the school infrastructure.
Over the last 16 years, how do you assess that money power was used to ensure your win, your response?
That's what they will always say for the ones who are in power, and I think if we were in opposition, we would have said the same thing. So these are all mere allegations, but that is not the case. We have worked very hard, and everybody has campaigned hard, and I think the people in general wanted to be part of part of government, so that they receive development, and I think that's the whole idea where they voted me for.
Can we expect a cabinet berth?
No, not at all. I'm a newcomer and I have very little experience, so I don't think I can do that job right now.
There is a fear among the coalition partners that now you are 32 members. So will there be any disturbance in the coalition?
I don't think so. They shouldn't, and we are committed as a party to look into to be along with the coalition, because we have been with them from the beginning. So I think it's not against our party ethics to ditch one group. So we will still continue to work together.